guys, so today we're at one of the largest markets for herbs and other food products. Later, we're also going to do something that I've always wanted to do in Seoul, which is take a Korean cooking class. All right, let's go. I like his face. 나야.
This is for 삼계탕.
There's like a special day that when you eat that soup. 그치? The hottest day of the year.
Year cheer.
A year of cheering? Until I came to Korea, I didn't know there could be so much red. I've gone to many street markets, but this one's really cool. Ginseng heaven. I can see the inside. 쇼핑하고 싶어요, 여기서.
이마트 이런 데보다 훨씬 싸서.
This guy's just sitting on his head. Oh, 냄새. 보고 싶어. 멋있다. I'm so glad that we got a chance to see this. 감사합니다. 맛있다, 그치? Okay, so now that we have all of our fresh ingredients, let's go make some grub.
Today 8 menu. This part we use soup. 만두 집에서 요리해요?
아니요, 빵 만들 수 있었는데 요리 진짜 못해요. 진짜.
많이 배워가지고.
예.
맛있는 호박전.
그쵸, 그쵸. They're my friends that I'm going to eat very, very soon.
Remove this part.
어디지? 이거요?
네, 그거요.
Expert. 진짜 맛있겠죠? 마사지.
More delicious.
Still delicious.
Without chili, every ingredient in here.
Go.
Please make a pizza style. Look good.
가자.
만두 emergency.
하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 안돼.
It's okay. We will fix you. She has
Money power.
마미소.
We're gonna have a good meal after this. 와, 진짜 맛있겠다. Chinatown.
You can see the
예쁘다.
four directions.
와, 어머.
건배.
오, 맛있어요. 손맛 썬맛. This is so good. I wish you guys should try it. Really good. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I would definitely recommend this place to my friends. The people are so kind, the food was delicious, and I learned so much. For now, I'm so full and so warm and happy that I'm gonna take a nap. Ugh. Yeah.